You everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm official Keem Reacts. I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. Blessings to all the Philippines who are out there having it rough. Just a week ago, Jamaica was devastatedly destroyed by Hurricane Melissa. People haven't yet recovered. People haven't yet find back their senses to what was done. Lives were lost. People are unfortunate. Homes were destroyed. Everything was so devastated, bro. It is a scene to bear, bro. Right? And just 2 days or just a day ago, Philippines has faced a tycoon, bro. Bro, a tycoon, bro. Like, bro, what the heck is going on, dog? Like, bro, we all need to just pray and to give God thanks, bro, because at this point, he's the big man. He's the one who literally can take us out from all these rubbles, from all of these destructions that are coming to us, bro. Like Jamaica, the Philippines, and it is happening around the world. So much natural disaster, bro. Okay, my people. So, guys, I'm a reactor. I react to music, right? And just because of the situation that has been going on in the Philippines, I searched for a song. It was like 3 weeks ago, and I've encountered this girl. She goes by the name of Kendra Gapasin. Alright? And she is the voice kids of the Philippines, where she will perform fourth year turn, I think. That's what she'll be doing today. Okay, so I'm here to check out this music and also, wish you guys well. Okay, my people. So with that being said, let's see what's up. Let's see what Kendra have up her sleeve at this point. Peace.
There I was, alone in the shadow, couldn't find my way. You came in and brought along the sunshine. Now you're here to stay, and you make me shine, shine with the light that you've given. It's true. I'm shining on, all because of you.
Oh! Oh my god! Oh my god, bro! Yo! That voice is ridiculously amazing. Oh, what the bro? What a magical voice, bro! Yo, her voice is so magical, dog. Like, bro, her voice is so cute, man. Damn, damn, yo, damn. No way, bro. No freaking way. Whoa! Ha ha! Whoa! 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 Impressive! That was impressive! She is A freaking amazing singer, though. Like, oh the heck does she even holds that note so long for just her age, bro? She's young, bro. Bro, you know, the Philippines, at this point, we should just crown the Philippines for one of the most talented country ever on this earth, bro. Like, every individual I've encountered, they can sing really well. From who is, being clowning on ex artists, from who is been singing over, doing auditioning with all these songs, bro, with their own songs, bro. The Philippines is very talented. Very talented. Right? And I've seen people, bro, came on that America's Got Talent TV show, such as Roland Bonnet and also Marcelita Pomoy. They dominated, bro. They've dominated. I've seen so much people, bro, came from the Philippines. And every individual came on that stage, bro. They nailed it. They nailed it, bro. Right? This is to show you how talented, right, the Philippines people really are. Morissette Amon. They all dominated, bro. Every individual I've encountered dominated, and I just witnessed that this girl killed the entire stage, bro, with such superb and divine performance. Her voice is so ridiculously amazing, bro. Angelic voice. She killed it. She killed the freaking stage with her angelic voice, bro. I was shocked. I never expected to listen to something like that so ridiculously amazing, bro. Trust me. Trust me. And people, with what has been going on in the Philippines, right? I'm asking the Most High God to cover each and every individual underneath His blood. Let the blood of Jesus, cover each and every individual, because it is so hard for people to create so much things and everything is just being destroyed. And it's going to be a major setback for others who are trying so hard to even make a block or to lay a foundation, bro. Right? So it's going to be tough, right? But by the grace of God, we are going to rise back stronger and better without any form of remorse, bro. Right? So I beg the Most High God do to protect each and every individual who are from the Philippines, praying for the Philippines and also praying for Jamaica, because these two countries are facing some catastrophe right now, and it's not fair for us, the people, the citizens of these countries, to face so much hardship, so much, downhearted momentum in this, crisis, bro. It is fucked up, bro. It is fucked up. So I do hope the Most High God reveal each and every one from the slum, from underground to the top, bro. We're gonna rise, and we're gonna rise again. Thanks for watching, my people. If you guys enjoyed my reaction, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, share this to a friend, telling him or about me, the Jamaican reactor. I'll see you guys in another video. Peace.